Well guys, we were using a worm and bobber, whatnot, caught a couple bluegills, and now we switched up to a jig head with a tiny twister tail on. We're fishing for some crappies along some stump piles here. See if we can't catch some crappies. Yep, just reel it real slowly back in. Well guys, we're fighting some wind here, but we're sitting on a log pile catching some crappies.
Yeah. He just caught one in the truck right off his pole right there. That was funny, Dad. That was funny. Ooh, are you gonna keep it?
Oh, it's too low.
Let's go back.
Little crappies. Fun for a little guy. Smackdown on us. Do you really want to throw them back? Or do you want to fish and try to catch them?
We got it. Is it a keeper? He's a nice fish.
Told you. Yeah, I just checked the camera and whatnot. We're getting into some crappies pretty good here. Here, grab by the mouth. We've caught like 10 of them now, about this size. We're trying to get into some bigger ones though. We don't really have a whole ton of panfishing baits other than worms and what we got. No, it's not quite a keeper. I'm sorry.
What's that?
Throw it back, okay?
My first fish I caught that.
Nice, your first crappie.
Yeah. Oh, I got one too. I have one too now. I have one. Yeah. Is it a keeper? Is it a keeper, Daddy? Are you even proud of me?
Yeah, I'm proud of you. You gotta quit talking to me like that.
Ooh, I got one.
Especially when we're trying to make a video together. Just grab my mouth.
Hey, keeper, Daddy.
Oh, a crappie, nice.
Are we keeping it? We're keeping it, right?
Ah, that's what we've been looking for all day.
Yeah, we're keeping that. Right?
That's the size crappie we've been looking for all day, guys.
We're keeping it, right?
Caught on the same bait that we caught all the little ones on. Well, guys, we ended up catching a lot of fish today. All but one were pretty small. We got into a pretty good crappie bite, so that was fun. First ever time fishing crappies in the summer for me. Normally that's a winter time thing. And Carter caught his first ever crappie, and then he caught another one. So heck yeah, that was cool. If you want to know what we were using, we were just using 1/16 size jig heads with Mr. Twister tail on there, green pumpkin black pepper, the teeny tail size, real small. Here, I actually, right there, just on a yellow jig head. And yeah, we got it done. Probably caught like 40 fish. Like I said, only one real nice one though, but that's fishing sometimes, still fun. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button and share with your friends.